When it comes to roofing, finding a reliable, trustworthy contractor is essential for ensuring that your home remains safe and protected. My Quality Construction of Warren has earned a reputation for excellence in the roofing industry, providing homeowners in Warren, Michigan, with top-tier services for roof replacement, repairs, and maintenance. But what makes My Quality Construction stand out in a competitive field? Here are the top reasons why homeowners continue to trust and choose this expert roofing company. Over 20 years of experience. With over 2 decades of experience in the roofing industry, My Quality Construction of Warren has built a solid reputation for delivering quality and dependable roofing services. The company's years of hands-on experience provide them with invaluable knowledge and expertise to handle any roofing challenge. Expert craftsmanship. Their seasoned roofers are skilled in various roofing materials, from asphalt shingles to metal roofs and flat roofs, ensuring that each installation is executed flawlessly. Homeowners benefit from their depth of experience in diagnosing roof problems, performing repairs, and installing roofs that stand the test of time. Proven track record. My Quality Construction has successfully completed countless roofing projects, earning the trust and respect of the local community. Their long-standing reputation in the Warren area speaks volumes about their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Commitment to high-quality materials. A roof is only as good as the materials used, and My Quality Construction prioritizes the best materials to ensure longevity, performance, and protection. The company works with trusted manufacturers to provide roofing materials that offer exceptional durability and aesthetic appeal. Top-grade roofing materials. Whether you need shingles, metal roofing, or flat roofing, My Quality Construction uses premium products to give you peace of mind that your roof will perform well under the harsh Michigan weather conditions. Their material selection is always tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Energy efficiency. The company also focuses on installing energy-efficient roofing systems that help reduce utility bills. This includes materials with reflective coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures by reflecting solar heat, improving energy efficiency, and making your home more eco-friendly. Licensed, insured, and certified roofer. When choosing a roofing company, it's vital to work with licensed and insured professionals who adhere to the highest standards of quality and safety. My Quality Construction of Warren employs a team of fully licensed and insured roofing contractors, providing homeowners with the peace of mind that the job will be done right the first time. Certified roofing experts. The company's roofers are highly trained and continuously undergo education to stay updated on the latest roofing techniques and technologies. Certifications from leading manufacturers and organizations further ensure that their team follows industry best practices. Safety and compliance. Roof replacement and repairs can be dangerous if not done properly. With My Quality Construction, homeowners can be assured that all safety protocols are followed to protect both the workers and the home. Additionally, they ensure compliance with local building codes and regulations. Transparent pricing and free estimate. One of the standout features of My Quality Construction at Warren is their commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction. They believe in providing homeowners with clear, honest pricing, ensuring there are no hidden fees or surprises. Free and detailed estimates. Before starting any work, the team offers free, no-obligation estimates for roofing services. Homeowners receive a comprehensive breakdown of costs, including materials, labor, and any additional work required. This transparency ensures that you understand exactly what you're paying for. Fair and competitive pricing. My Quality Construction provides high-quality roofing services at prices that won't break the bank. They aim to give homeowners the best value for their money without compromising on materials or craftsmanship. Customer-centered approach. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything My Quality Construction of Warren does. They believe that building lasting relationships with homeowners is just as important as the work they perform on the roof. Their customer service sets them apart from other contractors in the area. Clear communication. From the initial consultation to the completion of the project, My Quality Construction keeps homeowners informed every step of the way. They ensure you understand the timeline, scope of work, and what to expect throughout the roofing process. Aftercare and warranty. The company stands behind its work with strong warranties on both the materials and labor. If any issues arise after installation, you can count on their team to provide fast and reliable follow-up service. They are committed to addressing any concerns that might arise and ensuring your satisfaction long after the job is done. Comprehensive roofing services. My Quality Construction of Warren doesn't just stop at roof installation. They offer a full spectrum of roofing services to ensure that your roof remains in optimal condition for years to come. Roof repair and maintenance. If you're dealing with leaks, damage, or wear and tear, the company offers reliable roof repair services. Regular roof maintenance is also available to catch small issues before they turn into larger, more expensive problems. Emergency roof services. In case of storm damage or sudden leaks, My Quality Construction is available for emergency roof repairs. They understand that roofing issues need immediate attention, and their team is ready to provide prompt service when you need it most. Locally owned and operated. As a local business, My Quality Construction of Warren takes pride in serving the community with the highest level of integrity and professionalism. Their deep understanding of the unique needs of local homeowners ensures that every roofing project is handled with care and consideration for the specific challenges faced in the area. Community commitment. Being based in Warren means the company is invested in providing high-quality, affordable roofing services to their neighbors. They are proud to be a trusted resource for roof replacement, repairs, and maintenance in the local community. Conclusion. When it comes to roof replacement and repair services in Warren, Michigan, My Quality Construction stands out as the top choice for homeowners. With over 20 years of experience, high-quality materials, certified professionals, transparent pricing, and a customer-centered approach, they offer unparalleled roofing services. Whether you're dealing with a leaking roof or need a complete replacement, their team is ready to provide reliable, efficient solutions that ensure your home is protected for years to come. Trust My Quality Construction for all your roofing needs, and experience the difference of working with true roofing experts.